Entire ecosystems are collapsing.
What?
It's difficult to put into words.
It really is. Hey, everybody. We know that there's a lot going on in the world and that
People are dying.
we
You have stolen my dreams.
but we've got some good news, and that is that DEX's powerful bull panel has gathered, has assembled once again. The dudes that called Bitcoin at the recent top in November, almost to the day, have gathered again in these dark times to talk about the global algo shift and to update you on what's been going on. So welcome. We've got Will Hung, we've got my dude Cray America, and of course we've got Dex, the algo capitalist. How are you gentlemen this evening?
What up? What up?
Good.
Hey.
It's awesome to be with you again. So let me jump into a couple of announcements, and then we're going to look at and talk about Bitcoin. The markets are absolutely insane today. And it's funny, Dex, right before you got here, I was talking to the guys, and they're like, oh, my goodness, Bitcoin. And I'm like, yeah, but isn't this exactly what you guys said? And they were like, yeah. Like, once again, it's so funny because we're here, and you guys are going, oh, my goodness, markets, oh, my goodness, blah, blah, blah. And I was like, yeah, but you guys said exactly this, right? And they were both like, yeah, we did. So pretty awesome on that note. Here's what we've got coming up. Of course, right now, folks, we're going to go over Bitcoin. We'll look at Theta. We've got Theta on the mind just because the price action's been so dramatic. We know a lot of you love it, like me. You know, love the tech, not the price. Although it's a great time to get back in, maybe. I don't know if you love it a lot. So that's what's coming up in a couple minutes. But sooner than that, tomorrow, Dex and I will be giving you another crypto update. We'll see what happens after the sun rises tomorrow, see where we're at. And then right after that, we will be doing our Tuesday trader training, one of our favorite days of the week, and we'll be updating our ETH trade. And if you want to be a part of that, you just got to go to pulsewavetrading.com, folks. We've got memberships, and they're awesome, and we love them. And here they are. For as little as $11 a month, you can be with us for these ETH trade updates. You can get access to, for example, one of the coolest things I want people to know about. If you're a member, see this Sunday trade journal. If you have your Pulsewave Paradise membership at just $11, you get to see Dex's entire Sunday evening trade journal. And then he updates ETH Tuesday and Thursday. And that's just for the $11 people. Everybody else gets even more. For example, if you're a pro, you get access to his trade journal every single night that he's trading. And not to mention the thousands of reports that we provide to help you get in and out of these markets. So exciting stuff. PulseWaveTrading.com. Of course, I always forget this. We also have our 14-day free trial for new members who sign up for Pro. So if you're not sure, you might want to have or you just want to get a taste of Pro before you slide back down to $11. Be our guest. We don't mind. Check it out for 14 days. You get access to all of our reports, get access to those trader trainings and our trader education, which is part of our membership site. All of that, 14 days, free trial. Very powerful. Anyway, guys, very exciting stuff. I mean, exciting and gut-wrenching maybe for some people. But I've got Bitcoin up on the screen. Will, why don't we start off with you? I know. I'm sure you have thoughts, but here we are. We had a really big plunge down yesterday, and today slightly green candle. But I mean, what are we looking at below this, in your opinion, or do you think we could bounce here?
Well, I guess the fear index out there is just so high right now. I think everyone is freaked out already. I think a bounce is coming. Hopefully it'll get back, to the 10 days or 20-day moving averages. And then most likely, if we follow NASDAQ, it could be another leg down later on. But we'll see. We'll see. Because, I mean, we're already midway to the mini bear markets now. Mm-hmm. So everyone is already freaked out. But the bottom is not in, for sure.
Yeah.
I think
Kramerica, we're gonna look at the algos next, Dex. If maybe you could get ready with maybe with an algo chart, or at least have your eye on one. But what's your gut telling you, Kramerica, in terms of what's coming next for Bitcoin and where it may stop?
Well, I think it's coming up to support like right now. Actually, you see, we're getting to the zone, the 29 to 30K zone where we caught support back in what was it, May and June of 2021.
Yeah, look at that.
So we could catch that support. If not, the only support I see below there would probably be about 25K with the 200-day, or sorry, the 200-week moving average. I've been talking about that the last couple of weeks.
Right.
So if you were lucky enough to, or rather in position well enough to get short on this move, I'd say, I'd be tightening my stop at this point because it's run pretty hard. The daily candle that just closed for today is not a pointer. It closed at the low. So yeah, I guess that's my thought on that is, just keep tighten the stops up and be ready for a bounce or something maybe.
Get ready to bounce out of the country somewhere. Dex, Dex, what do you think, man? Are we getting ready to reverse with this, or are we looking for a longer ways down?
I think that we could possibly be in a situation where the market wants to start to, bounce back from that. We didn't create a pointer, so that's a good thing. But doesn't mean we can't go down any further. In all actuality, I did a live broadcast earlier today, and I explained that we still got about another 2,000 plus points to the downside to go before we're done, because we have one more pointer.
Okay.
Yep.
Yeah, I was gonna say we took out a lot of pointers, but did we take? Yeah, we got this one. Are you talking about this one way back?
Yeah, remember we have February the 24th, and we have January the 24th. And then I think there was something else.
This one I'm looking at is June.
What year though?
21. Last year.
Okay, yeah, there you go. I think that's the one. Yep, that's the one I was talking about in the show earlier today.
Okay, cool. All right, very interesting. Now I know everything has a very similar complexion right now, but we were fascinated by this the theta price. Where did you guys say it went? I mean, I have it right here. So sorry. Let me fix this one a little bit. There we go. So let's see. The low today, it went all the way down to $1.60, which is pretty amazing. I mean, our high was what? It was enormous. Wow. The all-time is 15.
$16.
Almost.
Yeah, almost 16 is 1588 is what I'm seeing for this particular candle on this particular chart. So
yep.
Yeah, so it's fallen mightily. I believe I saw some news they might have some good news tomorrow, and I think people are thinking this might be the bottom. At least people are hoping this might be the bottom. You guys got any thoughts on theta, if we might see a turnaround? Have you guys heard any news?
No. I mean, at this point, I think everything's just following Bitcoin, at least in the crypto market.
Pretty much.
I'm looking back on the theta chart now, and back January 11th of 2021, it put in a bearish pointer that the low was $1.46, and so that's pretty close. And it may be that's where price action is trying to test up on.
Right.
I wouldn't doubt that at all. But right now, like I said, we got a little bit more to do. At least another 2,000 points to the downside, because remember, I always teach you guys, pointers are like gaps in the market. They have to be reconciled at some point sooner or later. There's no way around it. It's just the way the markets behave, and they will always behave that way. So yeah, unfortunately, we got more downside to go. And, we've been talking about this for weeks. Nothing has really changed. I don't have an algo chart to show you right now because I'm still doing pulse waves as we speak. But when I do, I'll have it ready.
My portfolio looks like I'm hesitating to get into crypto.
Well, actually, you had a very good day today, sir.
Oh, did I?
You had an outstanding day today in the Ethereum.
All right, awesome.
You and I cleaned up 10%.
Oh, dude, that's amazing.
10% gain by
Love it.
today's market activity.
Didn't I send you like the rest of my ETH last
Yes, you
week?
did, and I know you're glad you did now.
No, I always check. I have this little thing that tabulates my portfolio, and I just looked at it and I'm like, I look like a guy who's thinking about investing in crypto.
Wow. Wow.
It's
See, that-
horrible.
But that's what you have me for.
That's
Ladies
what I
and
do
gentlemen,
for.
in case you guys don't know, we have our own money at risk in these markets. We don't just
Absolutely.
expect other people to do it. We eat our own cooking. We
I'm
lead
talking
by
about my
example.
HODL coins, to be clear. I'm not talking about anything I PulseWave trade with. I'm talking about
Hey,
the stuff that I hold. So
he's being humble, but we eat our own cooking. The trade journals that we do, I'm showing you both
Absolutely.
of ours. On
Yep.
the Qcoin account, that's both of our money in there. So it's not, like I said, we don't do demo accounts or any
Nice.
trickery. Everything we do, win, lose, or draw, we show you the results. We show you what we're doing before it happens. That's what the end of day reports are for, to tell you what the market's going to do before it happens, not after it happens, and then say, see, I called that. No, you didn't. Show me. Show me the money.
Oh, speaking of showing the money, look at Head Magister right here. Yeah,
60% on shorts. That's what's up. Go post waves.
Good job, buddy.
That's
Good
one of
job.
our post waivers right there. What's up?
He was just saying last week, he's like, oh, I'm really taking it seriously now. I'm working hard. Good
I'm
job,
telling
buddy.
you, man.
Yeah,
Look, I
kudos,
got you
kudos.
back.
Kudos.
Yeah, congrats,
All right,
man.
on
And that's
that
just
note-
one person. Can you imagine everyone else? Good
I
grief.
know, dude. I know. All right, folks. On that very positive note, something to take away that the pulse waivers, in terms of trades, are doing awesome. So you can make money in a down crypto market. We have wonderful tools now. It's not like the old days where you just were getting in and out of USDT all day. We have tools now. We can trade like grown-ups for the most part. At least trade like teenagers. How's that?
There you go.
Really, really some great stuff. So, folks, check out this trial we were telling you about. I'll show you right here. You could join right away, $11 access. But if you're new to PulseWaves, you want to try a free 14-day trial, sign up for the Pro. It's so easy to log into the site at the end and downgrade to the 11 if you want to do that or whatever. Of course, you're probably going to fall in love with your Pro reports. You get access to anything you want to trade. Now, when I say 6,000, 7,000, 8, whatever it is, I think Dex said we're close to 8 now last week, 1,000 reports. That means what you want to trade, the handful of things that you want to focus on in the markets, you can go in there and trade exactly what you want. And if we don't have it, you let us know, and we usually find a way. So
right.
Check it out, folks. It's great stuff. We work hard for you. We're excited to have each and every one of our members. So try us out. We'd love to have you. And that's
global shift, global algo shift in full effect.
No
Don't
joke.
miss it, because it is going down, people.
Indeed. All right, powerful bull panel. Thank you.
Thank you, gentlemen. I appreciate you guys every day.
And thank you, awesome PulseWave audience. Yes.
Good night, gang.
It's ours kicker.
The
Hit
best
that like button,
customers and
folks.
clients in the world.
All right, folks. We love you. We'll see you soon. Don't forget tomorrow. Tuesday's a great day to hang out with us. Crypto update, ETH trade update. We'll see you then. Take care, everybody.
And Lord willing, there will be a pre-market PulseWave report tomorrow morning. Lord willing.
Fantastic.